All right. Tope Beach. Got clam. We're not catching anything last hour. My brother dug up a sand flea. This is how it looks. We're gonna put that. We're gonna put it on the hook and see what we got. We got nothing loose. Tope Beach. I tell you, they move pretty good. So we got clam. Hook them on. Wow. All right, that's not going off. So we got clam and sand flea. Try your luck. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah. That's a good throw. That's a good throw. What we need now is a striper to bite on it. Nothing to lose. Don from New Jersey.